The Panasonic ER-GB86 is a popular wet and dry electric beard trimmer that offers versatile grooming options. Here's an overview of its features and functionality. Wet and dry operation. The ER-GB86 is designed for both wet and dry use. The trimmer offers both corded and cordless operation for convenient, easy use. It is waterproof for easy and hygienic maintenance, and provides 50 minutes usage from a 1-hour charge. Precision blades. The trimmer is equipped with sharp, stainless steel blades that provide clean and precise cutting. The blades are designed to be gentle on the skin while effectively trimming and shaping your beard. Adjustable cutting length. The ER-GB86 offers adjustable cutting lengths to accommodate various beard styles and lengths. It typically comes with a range of comb attachments or an adjustable dial that allows you to choose the desired cutting length. This feature provides flexibility for maintaining different beard lengths or for trimming hair in other areas, such as the sideburns or mustache. Rechargeable battery. The beard trimmer is powered by a rechargeable battery, providing cordless operation. It usually comes with a charging stand or cord for convenient charging. The battery life can vary depending on usage, but it typically provides a sufficient runtime for multiple grooming sessions. Easy maintenance. The ER-GB86 is designed for easy cleaning and maintenance. It often comes with a detachable blade or a cleaning brush, allowing you to remove hair clippings and keep the trimmer clean. It features a washable design that allows you to rinse the trimmer under water for thorough cleaning. Additional features. Depending on the specific variant or model, the Panasonic ER-GB86 may offer additional features such as a precision trimmer for detailed styling, an ergonomic design for comfortable handling, and a travel lock to prevent accidental activation during transportation.